I'm about to show you how you can duplicate the amount of money that you make at your job in the markets every single month. Check this out. Before I get started here, make sure you guys are checking out my Instagram. That is where I post the most trading content. I'll leave it up above. Let's get to this video. So most people want to try trading, right? They simply just have the wrong approach. Hear me out. I know we live in a TikTok brain world where most people skip videos after 3 seconds. Just hear me out for the next 60 seconds. So let's say you have a regular job paying $20 an hour, right? So that means you're making about $800 a week, right? There's 40 hours in a week, right, that you work. Boom, boom, $20, $800 a week, right? Now, let's say you go ahead and you create a trading account and you deposit $500 into that account, right? Might not sound like a lot of money, but this is how the maths, right? So there's 5 trading days in a week. There's 4 weeks in a month. So there's 20 trading days in a month. If you divide that $500 balance that you deposited by 20 trading days in that month, it tells you how much you got to make per day for you to literally create that $500 in profit at the end of that month. Might not sound like a lot, but then again, you're not starting with a lot either, right? So if you risk that same $25 every single day, you could gain $25 or $50 every single day trading, looking for a 1-to-1 or a 1-to-2 risk to reward setup. Now that you understand this math, now you start realizing, damn, I do not need a lot of money to start trading. You don't. You just generally need to have a proper game plan on exactly what it is that you're after every single day. The issue is most people just get into trades daily and they don't know when to get out. They don't know how much to risk. They don't know anything, but they just pretty much just clicking a button, getting in and expecting like magic to happen. No, if you break it down to literally simple numbers, you will start to realize how easy it is to actually not substitute your job, I'll say, off rip, but at least definitely have another source of income that can match your job. Because at the end of this month, you could easily make anywhere between $500 to $1,000 profit trading just off of $500, and you make another $800 at your job per week. Do the math at the end of the month, bro. Like, you're making decent side money off of literally $500 trading.
Here's how you can start trading smart and finally pass your prop firm challenge. If you're 18 to 35, listen up. First thing you're going to do is grab the Pips Gravity Mastermind trading plan, link in bio. Once you're in, go straight to the market structure section so you can finally read the charts like a pro. Next, dive into the liquidity and fair value gap chapters. This is where you'll learn how the big banks move the market and how to catch the move before it happens. Then, use our entry technique guide to time your trades with sniper accuracy. No more random entries, no more gambling. Finally, follow our trade management steps to protect profits and scale your account steadily. If you're tired of blowing accounts and failing challenges, this is your wake-up call. Pips Gravity Mastermind. Get it now and start trading like the top 1%.